Hey coders, welcome back to DevByteSchool, day 17 session of Mastering in Angular. In previous session, we have seen how do we create a login page and we have successfully called the login API. Now in this session, we are going to call register API and we will see how that happens. So as we have already seen, this is the API, okay? And we are going to provide full name, username and password over there, okay? So we are not taking full name, so I am going to add one more field for full name, okay? Input type text, enter full name, maybe the placeholder, okay. Then we required username, it is nothing but the email ID and then password, okay. We don't require mobile number over here, so just remove this one. Now let's create one more form for register. I will name that will be register form, okay. Declare property. Then here we have full name, username, password, and is social. Is social is the parameter, something which we use for social login. Currently, we are not seeing this. We are just passing that as a static parameter. It's social. Okay. For the comma, it is not required right now. Okay. Great. Now let's declare this form group. Just in the similar way we have declared here, we are going to declare form group as a registered form. Well, now we have to give form control in each input. Form control name equal to full name. Okay. Then email ID will be username. Form control name equal to username. Then same for password. Okay. Now there is submit button, register. Okay. And on the submit, we have called one function that is named as register. In auth service, let's make one more method to call a register API. Let's call it as a register. Okay. Nice register. Rest of the things are same. Okay. Now let's try to console the data over here. This dot register form dot value. Now let's try to register from our front end and see if data is passing from front end to a controller. From test at the rate test, not from test 1 to 3. Okay, great. Now we are getting our data. If social, we will set by default 0 over here. Let's try once more. From at the rate test from test. Okay. Okay. Great. Now we are getting our data. Now what we have to do, we need to pass this data to our API and see what response we are getting. Okay. So how do we call the API? This dot auth service, we have declared one method into the auth service. This dot auth service dot register. Into the register, we are going to pass this dot register form dot value. Okay. Then subscribe to this. After subscribe, we will get result into here, comma, error. Now let's console out the result and If anything error, console out over here. Okay, good to go. Vikram, Vikram@test.com. Test. Okay. Just click on the register. Okay. Registration is successfully completed and OTP has sent to your email address. Okay. So register API is successfully called. Now let's alert out this message. Okay. Let's try with the different email. Vikram1@gmail.com. Yes. Okay. Let's see what happens. Registration complete successfully. OTP has been sent to your email address. Please copy and paste it here. Okay. So this is particular response coming from the register API, but API you can develop by yourself and you can put your logic into it. You can add one more API for verifying the OTP and all. Okay. We are not going that detail right now, but I hope you understand what we are doing right now. How do we call an API and how do we get the response from that and how do we alert out? Okay. Usually we log in from here. After login, API will return you one token that you will store into your local storage and utilize that whenever you are trying to maintain a session. Yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you understand the video. If you like our video, please share with your friends and colleagues. If you are new to our channel, I will highly suggest you to subscribe to our channel, click on the bell icon so that whenever we are uploading new video, you will get the notification for that. Also join our Telegram group. We will meet in the next video. Till then, happy coding.